Hi, neighbors. Glenn Scott, the painter, Sun City. Recently, I had a client that needed a new garage door. They received a few estimates, but no one would install the door until they removed the wall cabinets. Here in Sun City, it's common to have wall cabinets that cover the track mounts for the garage door. So I recommended Bryan Bowers at 602 491 5558. He stopped by and suggested that the garage door track mounts just needed to be reversed. No need to remove the cabinets. It was that simple. He gave my clients an estimate. They accepted. He installed the door, and my clients Janet and Louie are very happy. They actually thanked me for referring Bryan. Again, his phone number